Hey everyone, today I'll be building the compound Pyrrole. It's known as Pyrrole or azole. And to build it, you need 4 carbon atoms. And we're going to use these 4 carbon atoms connected to a hydrogen to make an aromatic ring. So it should look something like this. And then off of every single carbon and the nitrogen, there's going to be a hydrogen. So our final structure should look a little something like this. If you can see, there's the ring. And then here's all of the hydrogens. So this gives us a molecular formula of C4H5N. This right here, the hydrogen coming off of the nitrogen, this is a functional group of a second degree of amine. It has 2 carbons on the other side of it, showing us that it's a second degree amine. And it has 3 degrees of unsaturation. We have 3 degrees because there's a ring, which is 1 degree, and then on these 2 sides, we have a double bond, which is a pi bond, which is 1 degree each. So in total, we have 3. There is 4 sp2 bonds. We have 1 right here, 2 right here, 3 right here, and then our 4th right there. And of these, 2 are unique, because if we split it in half by the plane of symmetry, we have 1 unique group on one side and 1 unique group on the other. So even though there's 4 separate sp2 atoms, there's 2 unique groups of sp2 atoms. There's 4 CH groups, so that would mean that this carbon has 1 bond on this side and 1 bond on this side, so it has a double bond on this side and a single bond on this side, meaning that it only needs 1 hydrogen to satisfy its 4. So that's the same for every single one, every single carbon. There's a double bond on one side and a single bond on the other, meaning it only needs 1 hydrogen to satisfy its 4. That gives us 4 CH groups, but also known as methane, but there's only 2 unique because of the same thing as the sp2 bonds. There's a line of symmetry that separates it. It has an NH stretch at the 3400 range in the IR spectrum, and then another C double bond stretch in the 1500 to 1600 range. The C to H stretch shows in about the 3000 range. Its molecular mass is 67.09 AMU, and its molecular weight is just 67. It's commonly known as a heterocyclic compound used in pharmaceuticals such as adrafistin and sutinamide. It's used for agrochemicals and materials science. It's normally a liquid state and has a boiling point of 131 degrees Celsius. This is Pyrrole. Thank you for watching.